Hi everyone, welcome to this 5-minute text tips video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this glitchy text in Adobe Illustrator. So we're going to start by going to File, New, and we're going to create a document that is 1000 pixels wide and 400 pixels high. So if you click Create, now the first thing we're going to do before we create anything on this document is I'm going to get you to load up these colours into your swatch panel. So if I put these colours up on the screen now, if you pause the video and put these into your swatch panel, because we're going to use these later on when we create our text. So now that we've done that, the first thing we'll do is hit M to bring up our rectangle tool. I'm going to create a rectangle over the size of the artboard there. Make that black, and with that selected, hit Ctrl 2 to lock that. Next we're going to create the text, so if you hit T to bring up your type tool, click anywhere on your document, make sure the type size is at 200 point and the font that I'm going to use is Gotham Bold. So if we first change the colour to the grey colour that I told you to load up previously, and the text for me is going to say glitch. There we go, so just drag that down into the middle of your artboard there. And with that selected, hit Ctrl Shift O to create outlines from that. And next what we're going to do is to hit Ctrl R to bring up the rulers on your document. And next what we're going to do is just simply drag down a few rulers at varying sizes, just to give it a bit of variation on your text. There we are, that looks okay to me. So once you've created all your rulers, if you just click and drag over everything, go to your Pathfinder tool and hit Divide. And if you double click to go into the group there, hit Ctrl Y to bring up your wireframe view. What we need to do is get rid of all these extra lines that's added into this group. So all you need to do is just click and drag to select them and just delete those out, because we don't need those going forward. It may take a few seconds just to do this, so just be patient with it. There we go. Oh, just missed that one there. There we go. Now that's done, what we need to do is just select randomly a few of these squares that we've created. There. And if we go Object, Transform, Move, and if we keep the vertical at 0, and for horizontal we'll put in -3 pixels. Hit OK. So we've created a set going that way. Now we're going to move another set going the opposite direction. So again, just randomly select a number of these squares all throughout your document. There we go. Object, Transform, Move. And this time we're going to go 3 pixels. There we go. So if you escape, come out of your group, and that's what your text should look like. Next we need to create some copies of this. So if you select your text, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and go to Transform. We're going to change the horizontal figure to 1.5 pixels. 7 copies, and then click OK. And with that still selected, go to Object, Expand Appearance. Once you've done that, double click to go into the group, hit Ctrl Y to bring up your wireframe view, and for this we're going to need to zoom right into one of the letters, because what we're going to do is select each individual group of letters and give them a different colour. So make sure you've got your colour swatch panel up there. And for the first one here, if we select our first pink colour, for the next one select our second pink colour, and for this third one select our third pink colour. And with that third one selected, if you hit Control, Shift and left square bracket, send that to the back. Do that again for the second one, and then do that again for the first one. And we're going to go over to this side, pick the furthest one along to the right, give that the dark blue colour, next one along, give that the light blue colour, and then the next one after that, give that the green colour. Now if you hit Control Y now, there we go, that should have ordered them correctly. And just one final thing we're going to do is if we select the dark blue set and the light blue set, go to Object, Transform, Move, vertical is going to be 0 and horizontal 1. Click OK, exit the group, and there we go, there's your finished glitchy text. So thanks for watching this 5-minute text tips video. If you like the video, don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. Cheers!